Our experience was we bought our house about a year ago and we had a leak that we knew of, but it was really small. So we were able to manage it for that first year. And then it got a little bit worse. And so we started reaching out to contractors to see about a full roof replacement. Guardian came out to give us an inspection and give us a quote. And the gentleman that came out after his inspection said he thought the roof actually had a lot of life left to it. And it was just one spot that was kind of the trouble area. So he suggested just doing a roof repair or a patch, basically. They got us in before the rainy season really came in. The day they came out, I was at work, but they called ahead of time. They kept me up to speed on everything, and my wife was here, and they kept her up to speed, and they cleaned up everything after they were done, and it was pretty flawless. So we would definitely recommend them. I've sent them to my parents because they're at the end of their roof on their home. So yeah, very, very happy with Guardian.